Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. I'm just covering US dollar JPY. Um, you guys may expect me to come probably about 3 days a week, maybe four. I mean, if you guys demand and constantly want me to constantly update it, then I'll definitely consider it. But for right now, I'm just going to be discussing what happened. So yesterday, as you guys know, I uploaded my first video. I'm going to be hogging this pair. I'm up pretty big on USD JPY. I loaded my positions around this area as it was falling, and it came back and retested. I loaded more areas, and it came back. I kept loading. And definitely what I did recognize is seeing that these areas right here were higher than the previous one. So I definitely considered this as the sellers were being exhausted. Also the market makers and the markets and, institutional investors, or just, those people in general, they were baiting sellers. But the whole time, as I discussed with you guys the other day, that this is an uptrend. It is an uptrend. This is what the market is doing. And it's sitting well above this trend line. It landed back on my 36. It never broke this swing low. And it made a higher high on the 4-hour time frame. So I loaded up. It's just that simple. I told you guys, if you want to wait for a more cleaner entry, feel free. I would recommend the same move. Okay, it went up, it kind of pulled back, because it can't just run bullish for the whole day. The sellers are pushing it down for some pressure, but I do see this area of interest here. So I would go on the 1 hour. See how this is looking. So I would definitely see the 1 hour try to pull back to the EMAs as it's crossing above. So it's showing good volume, as you guys can see here. It's definitely rolling up, and that's what happens. The market, breathes out, breathes in, right? Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and that's how it runs. So I expect to pull back to at least this area here of a support. So I draw a very light box here so you guys can see it for the 1 hour. You guys can look for entries on the 1 hour or smaller time frame. In the 4 hour, this is just what I see. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I think. Take this as a grain of salt. Do your own due diligence, and so forth. So I'm just analyzing a pair. This is, again, not trading advice, and I go from here. So this is a weekly analysis of what I see of USD JPY, how it's been moving, and if I see any significant moves or prior, during, or after, I'll upload videos 2-3 times a week and keep you guys updated with what's going on. Again, up here is still one of my really nice targets. I already took out some of my positions to secure some profit. After loading up here, I was in for a whole week. This happened on Friday for NFP, and this whole move just kept happening. I kept adding day after day, and I was up here. I was in good profit, and it still went down. But once I kind of saw this and see that price is still hanging around this area, I definitely noticed that it would go higher. So definitely keep that in mind, and it should retest this area, and it could actually target these highs. Now, what I did notice, I think it was earlier today or yesterday, that due to NFP, I don't know if it's going to show. Let me just double check here, or probably just my broker in particular. So I don't see it here. See what's going on. Okay, no. Go back. No. Just scroll. Okay, perfect. It was somewhere around here on my broker. There was a gap. Maybe it's not going to show on this one specifically, but it was a gap area of interest that I seen on a smaller time frame. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say, guys. Just really quick, I just want to chop in with you guys and show you what I seen for the overall market. That's what I still expect. USD JPY is still bullish, and I expect to see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and we'll see. We'll play it as it runs. If you guys have any questions, any suggestions, any comments, please feel free. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, share the video. Definitely appreciate that. And I will see you guys next week in booking profits. Again, thank you guys for checking out the dollar yen page, and let's get them pips. Let's go.